it is time for our K5 board work. We're going to start with numbers, with math, and we're going to begin with after numbers. All right, so boys and girls, I'm going to show you the flashcard, and I want you to say what the number is, then tell me what comes next, what the after number is. All right, we've done this a lot, so you should know what you're doing. Remember to think about what the number family is if you're not sure. What number is this? What is the after number? All right, boys and girls, this number is 58. 58. The after number is 59. All right? Now, what number is this? Boys and girls, this number is 33. What is the after number? 34. What number is this? Boys and girls, the number is 44. What's the after number for 44? 45. All right, what number is this? 94. This number is 94. Boys and girls, what is the after number for 94? 95. The after number is 95. All right, and what number is this? 87. Boys and girls, this number is 87. What is the after number for 87? 88. The after number for 87 is 88. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to move on to our coins, our money. All right, first of all, let's review it by singing our song. Are you ready? Penny, penny, easily spent, copper brown and worth 1 cent. Nickel, nickel, thick and fat, worth 5 cents, I know that. Dime, dime, little and thin, I remember you're worth 10. And our newest one. Quarter, quarter, big and bold, you're worth 25, I am told. All right, now boys and girls, what is the name of this coin? Penny. How much is a penny worth? 1 cent. What do we count by when we count pennies? Ones. Boys and girls, what is this coin called? Nickel. Boys and girls, what is a nickel worth? 5 cents. What do we count by when we count nickels? 5s. Very good. Boys and girls, let's count by 5s to 100, starting with the number 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. All right, what is this coin called? Dime. Boys and girls, what is a dime worth? 10 cents. What do we count dimes by? Tens. Let's count by tens to 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, and our newest coin. Boys and girls, do you remember what this is called? What is this called? Quarter. How much is a quarter worth? 25 cents. What do we count by when we count quarters? 25s. Now, boys and girls, I have some coins on the board that we want to count and then write how much they are. All right? So, first of all, I want you to think what this coin is. Do you remember what it is? Boys and girls, this is a dime. Now, think, what do we count by when we count dimes? Tens. We count by tens. All right, boys and girls, we are going to count the dimes together and then write the amount in the red box. Are you ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 40 cents. So what number am I going to write in the box? 40. All right, so I'll write a 4 and a 0. 40 cents. Now, boys and girls, what is the name of this coin? Nickel. These are nickels. Boys and girls, what do we count by when we count nickels? Fives. We count by fives when we count nickels. Boys and girls, we're going to count these nickels together so that we can write the amount in the box. Are you ready? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 30 cents. Boys and girls, what am I going to write in the blue box? 30. 3, 0. 30. 30 cents. All right, very good, boys and girls. Now, boys and girls, we have been telling time to o'clock and to 30. All right, now, remember, the small hand is the hour hand, the big hand is the minute hand. So if I were to put my clock like this, what time would it be? Boys and girls, it's 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock. All right, let's try another one. Boys and girls, what time is that? 5 o'clock. This is 5 o'clock. Now, boys and girls, we've also been learning about 30. Now, remember, the big hand is the minute hand. When the big hand is on the 6, that means it's 30. Now, the hour hand is for the hour that is after. The clock goes in this direction, so the hour hand is after the 3. So that is 3:30. All right, now I want you to try one. All right, boys and girls, what time is that? It's 1:30. Boys and girls, the hour hand is after the 1. After the 1, and the minute hand is on the 6, which means 30. So it's 1:30. All right, let's try one more. All right, boys and girls, what time is that? Boys and girls, that's 11:30. All right, the clock goes this way, so the hour hand is after the 11, 11:30. All right, now boys and girls, if we were going to write the numbers, we need to know what numbers to write. All right, now let's see what time this is. All right, boys and girls, what time is this? Hold on just a second. There you go. Now look at it. What time is that? Boys and girls, it's 3 o'clock. 3 o'clock. All right, if I were going to write 3 o'clock, what would I write here? I would write a 3. All right, then boys and girls, what would I write here for o'clock? 0, 0 means o'clock. All right, so boys and girls, that says 3 o'clock. All right, now, boys and girls, what time is that? (9:30). All right, the minute hand's on the 30. The hour hand is, oops, I'm sorry, boys and girls, I got that right. I got that incorrect. All right, I'm sorry. This is 8:30. I hope I didn't confuse you. 8:30. All right, because when you go around this way, the hour hand is after the 8. All right, so it's 8:30. Let's try a different one too. Make sure you understand, okay? Since Mrs. Stout messed up. All right. Boys and girls, what time is that? (4:30). It's 4:30. The minute hand's on the 30 at the 6, but if you go around, the hour hand's after the 4. Now, if I was going to write 4:30, I would write what right here for 4:30? A 4. All right. What would I write here for 30? A 3 and a 0 for 30. And that says 4:30. All right, good job, guys. Now, boys and girls, we are also going to practice our number words today. All right, I've got my flashcards right here. When I show you the flashcard, you're going to say them, but first we're going to go through them together. All right, everybody say it with me. 5, 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 1, 9, 10, and 5 again. Now, boys and girls, I'm going to hold the card up. You say the number, then I'll say the number, and you can see if you got it right. 8, 7, 6, 3, 2, 4, 1. 9. 10. 5. And back to 8. All right, boys and girls, now we are going to do our addition families. All right, we're just going to go over some addition families and we'll do some flashcards. All right, first of all, the 4 addition family. Is everybody ready? 0 plus 4 equals 4. 4 plus 0 equals 4. 1 plus 3 equals 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. 5 addition family. 0 plus 5 equals 5. 5 plus 0 equals 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And the 6 addition family. 0 plus 6 equals 6. 6 plus 0 equals 6. 1 plus 5 equals 6. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. All right, boys and girls, we're going to do some flashcards now. I will hold up the flashcard and you say the answer. Then I'll say the answer and we'll say the combination together. Now, before we do that, boys and girls, I wanted to remind you, anything plus 0 stays the same. So if you have 5 plus 0, it stays the same. It's still 5. If you have 10 plus 0, it equals 10 because it stays the same. Also, boys and girls, if you add 1 to anything, it's just like an after number. So it's the next number. So if you have 2 plus 1, it's the after number for 2, which is 3. So 2 plus 1 equals 3. 5 plus 1 equals what? 6, because the after number for 5 is 6. 4, 5, 6. All right, one more. 11 plus 1 equals 12, because that's the after number. All right, are you ready for your flashcards? All righty. Three. Boys and girls, say it with me. 1 plus 2 equals 3. 7. 7 plus 0 equals 7. 6. 4 plus 2 equals 6. 5. 1 plus 4 equals 5. 7. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 3. 3 plus 0 equals 3. 5. 2 plus 3 equals 5. 6. 3 plus 3 equals 6. 2. 2 plus 0 equals 2. 4. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. All right, guys, good job. All right, now today, when you do your papers, you do your worksheets, you're going to do a graded math paper. Your homework helper is going to help you know what the directions are, and you're going to do your very best work so you can get a good grade on your graded math paper. All right, now we're going to start on our phonics, on our letters. All right, boys and girls, we're going to start with sight words. Okay, we're going to go through our sight word cards together. Then I'm going to give you a chance to remember and read them. All right, you ready? And, the, you, of, I, says, to, do, a. All right, now I'm going to give you a chance to read them yourself. All right, so you say it, then I'll say it, and you can see if you got it right. You, of, I, says, to, do, a, and, the. Very good. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to go over our special sounds. We're going to start with our yellow cards. All right, is everybody ready? Cut and duck, C-K. E and me, E. O and go, O. I and fly, Y. A and pray, A-Y. St and stop, S-T. Pull and plane, P-L. Fur and frog, F-R. Tur and train, T-R. Sh and ship, S-H. Th and thick, T-H. The and this, T-H. Bull and block, B-L. Cull and clock, C-L. Full and flake, F-L. Gull and glue, G-L. All right, now we're going to do the blue cards that we've learned. All right, you ready? Burr and bride, B-R. Dur and drum, D-R. Purr and pray, P-R. Gur and grin, G-R. Sm and smoke, S-M. Sk and scat, S-C. Sk and skate, S-K. Sp and spade, S-P. Cur and crab, C-R. All right, boys and girls, now we're going to do some flashcards, some special sound flashcards. All right, so I'll hold the flashcard up. You look at what the special sound is. Then you look at how many vowels are in the word and read the word. I'll give you a chance to read it, and then I'll read it and say what it is so you know if you got it correct. All right, do your very best, boys and girls. crick. Okay, is that a B or a D? All right, look, I put my B and D up here so you can see them. Is that a B or a D? Buy. Nest. B or D? That's right up here if you're not sure. Crib. Risk. How many vowels are in this word? What does the E say? Gleam. Do you know what gleam means, boys and girls? It means shine brightly. Gleam. Okay, D or B? How many vowels? What does the A say? Drain. Drain. Prize. Smile. Okay, B or D? Grab. All right, boys and girls, good job. Now, we are going to do something different today, something that I think we did it a while ago, but it's been a really long time, and I don't think we've done it a lot recently. All right, we are going to actually spell words. All right, the way that you spell a word is when I say it, you think about what the beginning sound is. All right, then you say the beginning sound. Then you think about what the vowel sound is, and you say or write the vowel sound. And then you think about what the ending sound is, and you write that. All right, so we're going to do that on the board together. All right, I see my videos freezing up a little bit when I'm making it. Is it freezing up for you just a little bit, boys and girls? I hope not. I hope it's only on my side. All right, now boys and girls, the first word that we are going to write is pup. Pup. Now think, boys and girls, what is that first sound that we hear? P, p, pup. Pup. P. P, p, P. All right, so I'm going to write a P. All right. P, pup. Pup. What's that vowel sound that you hear? P, pup. What sound is that? What letter? Pup. U. Pup. So I'm going to write a U. All right, now let's listen for the ending sound. Pup. 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 What's that ending sound, boys and girls? P. Pup. So it's another P. Now, boys and girls, if I wasn't sure that I spelled it correctly, I could read it to see if it really sounded right. Okay, so I'm going to read it now. Pup. Did I do it right? Yes, I did. Now we're going to write another word, boys and girls. All right? The word is rat. Rat. What is that beginning sound that you hear in rat? What letter says rat? R. R says So I'm going to write an R. All right, rat. What vowel sound do you hear in rat? Ra. What says a? A. A says a. So I'm going to write an A. All right, let's read that blend, boys and girls. Ra. Is that the beginning sounds for rat? It is, isn't it? All right, now let's listen to the ending sound. Rat. What letter makes that ending sound? T. T says t. Rat. Hear the T sound? So I'm going to write a T. Now, boys and girls, let's read it to see if we got it right. Rat. Did we get it right? Yes, we did. All right, now boys and girls, in your last packet that you brought home, I put a printed letter chart so that when you're doing writing on your worksheets and you don't remember how to write a letter, you have that to look at. So homework helpers, they are allowed to use the letter chart, the manuscript letter chart, so that they can look at it and think about what a letter looks like when they're doing their phonics worksheet. I am more concerned with knowing if they know the proper letter sounds and which letter it is than if they have to look at a manuscript chart to know how to write that letter. So they may use their letter chart, their manuscript letter chart that I sent home in the second packet when they are doing their phonics paper if they need to look at it to remember how to write a letter. All right, boys and girls, that's all that we have for today. I hope you do a really careful job on your papers today. I hope you do a really careful job when you have your graded number paper and on your other papers as well. Have a great day, and we will see you tomorrow, okay? Bye-bye.